Here we go, straight to the back. Oh my goodness. I just cannot wait. Look at this. We're getting right straight in the back. 15 and 14. Dennis is going to be in front of us. I'm going to take my ball cap off, shove them down into this, put this in here. Oh goodness, I got a lot of space, Travis. All right, look at Dennis's head. Come here, let me see. Isn't it cute? Look at my hair. My hair is all hat hair. What do you think, Trav? It's gonna be something else. Here we go. I got a little bit of space going on right here. That means it'll be bumpy. All right, here we go. Turn it around. Hold on tight, Dennis. Don't cry. Don't cry. Mommy loves you. Oh gosh. Woo! Oh my gosh, the bad! Ah, so many bad! Oh my gosh! Oh, this is so pretty! So pretty! Oh, wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! Here we go! I'm not holding on. Oh, here comes the butt lift. Oh! Straight out of the seat. Woo! Oh, it's so smooth. Wow, there we go. Oh, oh, wow. Whee! Here we go, tail. Oh, oh, oh.
Big old bobcat.
It's a big old bobcat. There's a big old bobcat on the sun. Look, you got a rooster over there. And a goat on the roof. Look at that. And there's some more. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Whee! Hands up. Ah! Oh boy, this feels way faster. There goes my butt out of the seat. Whoa! Woo! Ah! That was new, I think. Woo! What? Wait. There's more? What is going on? Oh my gosh, what? Whoa! Woo! Oh my goodness. Whoa! What do you think? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That was great. It was great.
Did they add a part in there?
I think that we did get a part added. Oh my goodness. That was so much fun. I have missed that so bad. What do you think?
That was good.
It was great. It was great. What do you think, Dennis?
Much smoother.
Woo! I got a permanent smile on my face.